Welcome children in bio class. Now I am going to teach you gene mutation. Gene mutations are changes in the structure of genes. Genes are DNA segment. Therefore, change in the arrangement of nucleotide in the DNA segment is the change in the gene, and it is called gene mutation. It is due to change in the sequence of nitrogenous bases in DNA segment. Genes are located at a fixed point on the chromosomes. Therefore, gene mutation is also called point mutation. Children, this gene mutation or point mutations are many types. First, gene mutation divided into two types. First is frame shift mutation and second is replacement mutation. So, frame shift mutation. What is the frame shift mutation? Genetic code is comma-less. Both addition or deletion of nucleotides shift the reading frame of codons from the site of change onwards. If there is addition of a nitrogenous base or nucleotides or deletion, both is going to shift the reading frame of codon from the site of change. When the reading frame of codon will change, then there will be change in the phenotype, there will be change in the protein which is synthesized. So this is the frame shift mutation. The frame shift mutation is of two types. One is deletion, other is insertion. In the deletion is one nucleotide is removed from a gene. So when one nucleotide is removed, the frame of genetic code information gets changed. As the frame of genetic code information change, then expression of the gene will change. There will be change in the sequence of amino acid in a protein. Second is in the frame shift mutation, insertion or addition mutation. In this case, one nucleotide is added to a gene. So when one nucleotide is added, the frames of genetic information change, and due to change the frame of genetic information, expression of gene change, sequence of amino acid in protein change. So we can say the phenotype of the organism change. Next is replacement mutation. Replacement mutation is also known as substitution mutation. There is substitution or replacement of nucleotide of DNA segment by another nucleotide. Children, you know nucleotides are made of nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar and phosphoric acid. So replacement of nucleotide means replacement of nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous bases are two types, purines and pyrimidines. Adenine and guanine are purine. Cytosine and thymine are pyrimidine. Replacement mutation are two types. One is transition mutation, other is transversion mutation. So you have to know what is the transition mutation. There is replacement of a purine by another purine, or replacement of a pyrimidine by another pyrimidine. Adenine and guanine both are purines. So adenine is replaced by guanine, or guanine is replaced by adenine. Now thymine and cytosine both are pyrimidine. Thymine is replaced by cytosine, or cytosine replaced by thymine. So this is called transition mutation. Next is transversion mutation. In transversion mutation, purine is replaced by pyrimidine, or pyrimidine is replaced by purine. So this is called transversion mutation. So it means adenine thymine replaced by thymine adenine, or cytosine guanine replaced by guanine cytosine. So this is the transversion. So children, you have to keep in mind, in the transition mutation, the purine is replaced by another purine, pyrimidine is replaced by another pyrimidine. But in the transversion, purine is replaced by pyrimidine, or pyrimidine is replaced by purine. Children, this gene mutation occurs during gamete formation, and these types of mutation transfer to the offsprings. Gene mutations arise in the organisms or inherited, and it will affect the organisms. Most gene mutations are minor and they are recessive, like sickle cell anemia. It is also the example of gene mutation.